On October 22nd, 2025, an Arkansas police officer initiated a traffic stop after observing a vehicle traveling without headlights and make an improper turn at an intersection. What started as simple violations would soon become something more, as unusual body language, extreme nervousness, and her constantly clutching her chest raised suspicion and set the stage for this hidden discovery. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Howdy.
Hello.
Hey.
Let me get my cup out of the way so I can roll the window down.
Is that a mixed drink or just a sweet tea?
It's a slush from 2 days ago.
Slush from 2 days ago.
Yeah. Oh, it's Rocky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting to pull you over again.
I know. What was I pulled over for this time?
Well, you didn't have your headlights on.
I just pulled out of there.
But was you on the road when you turned it on? And also, you had an improper turn
Where?
through the north intersection. You had turned into the innermost lane. You went to the outermost lane.
What do you mean?
When you turn in on 262 from First Street, how you did, you have to turn into the fast lane and then use your turn signal to get into the slow lane.
I've never heard that before. I've been driving for 40 years.
Well, it's the law.
Unless there's 2 lanes going that way, there's no specific lane you have to
You
get
have
into.
2 lanes going that way. To turn on the 62, you have to take the innermost lane, the first lane to you. Because what that does is if someone was merging from 5 north onto 62, it keeps you guys from colliding.
I've never heard that ever.
It's always been the law, as far as I've been patrolling anyways.
You want my license?
Yes, ma'am.
Insurance, all that stuff?
It's like you've been through this before.
Yeah.
Are you headed to the house?
Yes, I sure am. I'm tired.
And go get you some sleep.
Let me find. Oh, yeah. Let me find. My driver, there it is.
There you go.
And my insurance is on my phone.
Gotcha. Are you gonna have anything illegal in your possession?
No, sir. I've learned my lesson. Trust me. It cost me $12,000 for the lawyer for that deal. Is that same guy? Was he with you that same night that we got pulled over before?
Oh, no, I don't believe so. I think he was off.
There you are.
There you go. Well, you want to step on out here and we'll see if the dog hits this time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we'll put it in park.
Oh,
Any reason why you would?
no.
Hey,
I just got that car.
You want to open your drink, make sure there's nothing in there?
Slush, cotton candy, you want to drink?
Gotcha. Here, stand right over here for me.
Why do you do that?
I like people in front of my vehicle.
Officer
That way
Smith.
I can see what's going on.
Oh, I'm Officer Wolf.
What's your first name?
Dustin.
Dustin. That's all. I know a lot of cops named Dustin.
Hey, Mac. Good boy.
I really got to pee bad. What's the matter?
No.
I had the license plate light. He pulled me over August, I think. And I didn't have a license plate light, he said, but I did. Ain't nobody in there.
Well, I don't think he's looking for people.
My dog was in there. That's the only other thing that would have been in there. What's he doing?
He's sniffing.
Oh. Because that car might have something.
See, he said that there's nothing in that one. Out of all the cars, he keeps going back to yours.
There's nothing in it.
I mean, I'm not even controlling him. And you see what he's doing.
Maybe it's because mine's running.
Well, I don't think he knows what a running car is.
My window's down so he can smell it.
His nose is up. Scent cone to the vehicle. Oh, good boy, Nick. Here you go. Oh, boy. Way back there, man.
No, stay right here, ma'am.
He's there?
No, right there. I'm going to search. Come back down here. Where are you going?
I'm freezing. I want you to go up there by the car.
Okay. Hey,
Stand by your hood. How's
obviously, you saw the alert my dog gave.
that? I did not see a alert. He's supposed to sit down, don't he? That's what you told me before.
He does. That's one alert. But you see, like, all these other cars here, and he's glued to yours. Like, I wasn't even controlling him. Like, you say that I clicked along the cars.
Go ahead, Rocky, just go ahead. It's all right. Let's go. I'm just freezing my ass off.
If you sit closer to the hood of the car, it'll be warmer.
Hey. Here, turn around. Here, take your
Rocky,
hands out.
don't touch
Take your hands
me.
out. I don't know what you have in your hand.
I have my phone in my
You're
bag.
acting weird. Go ahead and
What's
calm
that?
down. That's a great decision for you there.
No,
Guys, what are you doing?
It's drugs right there.
There's no drugs in the bag.
Tucking
It's
it like a dang
baggies.
football this whole time.
Okay, well it's baggies. It's not got no drugs in it. No drugs. They're all baggies that I left
Somebody
there.
else have them pair of cuffs. That way we can put her in too.
Come on, y'all, please. What the fuck? Rocky, what have you got against me?
I don't have anything against you.
Really? Then why do you sit at benches and watch me?
Was I at a bench?
Hi, Josh.
Still on that side of things, and I'm still on this side of things after all these years.
Yeah, it's not nothing in there. Don't even come apart. I'm so 60.
Still haven't figured out life.
Yeah, I figured it out.
Still.
Yeah, they get the
I
scale.
just got out of court yesterday. I don't have no drugs.
Just bags, clear bags,
I tried to tell you
and a scale.
because there was jewelry in there when I got
actual
here.
product? No, not
Nothing.
here. Residue on the scale though.
No.
I'd assume. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Okay.
I have no figures.
Here you go.
That's money.
I forgot you were in here.
I just sold some jewelry.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm sure you sold something here.
That's what I had, jewelry.
You sound jewelry to.
And a pipe. That's a funky piece of jewelry there.
You take anything inside that jail, it's an extra felony on top of whatever else you
I
have.
know, Josh, I know.
Then where is it at,
I
Dawn?
don't have anything.
Okay.
I don't.
Did you dump it off before he got you stopped? Gave it to your friend?
I guess so.
Probably.
I just had a mastectomy. Okay?
Did your doctor know you used methamphetamine after that, too?
Yeah, the lawyer does too.
Oh, my goodness, Dawn.
If you wear my shoes, you'd understand.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Dog treats and dryer sheets.
I got a little scoop with some residue on it.
She had a pipe in her left pocket, front pocket.
Cotton candy slush.
Oh, yeah?
Made it at home. What's that?
I don't know. Looks like a miniature shovel.
A what?
It's got some white residue on it, Dawn. That's why they're keeping it.
Hey, Wolf, can you open your car so we can put her in yours?
Miss Dawn, we're gonna go over this car
Yep.
over here.
Yeah.
Hold
We're gonna get you in there.
on, wait.
My
Right over
phone,
here.
please.
And I'm gonna really pat you down before we get you sat down in the car. And that is gonna be the
I
last.
just had a mastectomy.
Well, here's the thing. I'm gonna pat you down. If there's anything on you
Yeah.
and you go into the jail, remember.
I know
It's a
that.
felony.
I realized that.
All right. Go ahead and sit down.
Can't get him. I'm just standing backwards. Can I call my husband?
You have a good chance to call at that
Please.
jail now.
Or can I call him now so you can be there?
Yeah, they gotta book you in and everything first.
Get her to the jail quick so she doesn't have time to...
Stuff anything?
Yeah. Make sure you search the back seat good when you're done. She's pretty squirrely like that.
30 PD. I'm 10:15 route to the jail. What are you messing with, man? What is that noise? All right, give me what's in your hand. Give it here.
Oh my God.
30, 21. I got it.
Please. Please.
Thank you.
Wait a minute, I had a vasectomy and my boobs hurt so bad from being in the back.
Okay. We're about to come in the front.
What did you get? Where did you get it?
On her.
Was it in a bra?
I would assume. All right, stand up and I'll put them in the front.
Okay. My boobs hurt so bad. My incision is killing me. I got 4 sets.
Check her really well.
I have the bone for that hole in my.
Ma'am,
I have that bone in my pants.
you have a bong in your pants?
Yes, I don't want to be in jail with it. Oh, here.
I don't have any gloves on me.
It's right here. It's right here.
Wait. I got a pair of gloves right here.
Okay, here. I'm sorry.
Is that everything?
Is that everything you have?
It's weird.
They're gonna.
Because if you come in here and I scan you and
I
there's
swear.
anything else, you are going to be charged.
I swear, I wouldn't have gave the help if I didn't already know that. I didn't.
He told you before we left, ma'am.
I know. I'm sick. I can't. I'm just no.
I gotta put my.
I just had a vasectomy.
Don Spaulding was arrested and charged with no headlights, improper turn at an intersection, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of meth or cocaine with purpose to deliver, and furnishing prohibited articles. Her bond was set at $25,000. The substance was weighed and tested, confirming a total of 28.2 grams of methamphetamine. And on December 1st, 2025, Dawn appeared in Baxter County Circuit Court, where she entered a guilty plea to all charges in her felony cases. She was put on 20 years probation and will be required to complete 12 months in a drug rehab program. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.